Exploring on the small screen, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard before, on the small screen. Whether you're a movie buff, a TV series enthusiast, or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning behind this phrase and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, grab your notebook, and let's get started. On the small screen refers to anything that is broadcasted or shown on television, as opposed to in movie theaters or on the big screen. The small screen literally means the television screen, which is typically smaller than a movie screen. This phrase is often used to discuss TV shows, news broadcasts, or any content that you watch on your television at home. The term, on the small screen, came into use with the advent of television. As movies were traditionally watched in theaters on a large screen, the television introduced a new, more intimate way of viewing content. The distinction between the two gave rise to terms like the big screen for movies and the small screen for television. To help you grasp how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. I prefer watching documentaries on the small screen. It feels more personal. Did you know that many famous movie actors got their start on the small screen? The novel was so popular that they adapted it for the small screen. When you talk about anything related to television, this phrase can add a touch of sophistication to your conversations. It's interesting to note the cultural implications of the small screen versus the big screen. While movies, the big screen, are often seen as more prestigious, with high production values and cinematic quality, television, the small screen, has become a powerhouse of creativity, storytelling, and accessibility. The distinction also reflects the viewing experience, with the big screen offering a communal, larger-than-life spectacle, and the small screen providing a more personal, convenient viewing option. We hope this exploration of on the small screen has illuminated a new corner of the English language for you. English is rich with idiomatic expressions that reflect culture, technology, and history, and understanding these phrases can deepen your appreciation of the language and enhance your communication skills. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning, and see you on the small screen.